National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for near-shore and open waters from Avon Point, Ohio to Ripley, New York until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 44 nautical miles north of Geneva on the Lake to 26 nautical miles northwest of Fairport Harbor to 30 nautical miles north of Avon Point, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 4 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Willow Wick, Geneva on the Lake, Fairport Harbor, Ashtabula, Erie, and Coney Island. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. Weather reports for selected cities at Akron-Canton Regional Airport.
Hello to you too, Cleveland. Golly. And on my birthday.